Welcome back to the series on website creation. In the previous video, we created some dummy posts for our website. Now in this video, I'll be talking about the difference between page and post. We have talked about post in a lot of detail. In this video, we'll be touching upon pages, but we will be marking out the key differences between a page and a post. So if you like that idea and if you want to learn more about it, stick to the video. Welcome to the Binary IQ. If you're visiting this channel for the first time, do consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell. Also, once you're done with the video, do check out my channel. It is brand new, but I have already put in a lot of content there, and I'm very hopeful that you will love the content out there. So before going on to watching some other video, do check out the channel once. Let's get on with the topic. And this video will be talking about the difference between a page and a post. So in the previous video, we created these dummy posts. In this video, we'll be talking about the difference between a page and a post. So a post is basically a dynamic content, which I talked about. As you can see, it has a few things associated with it, like the author, like the categories, like the tags and the date. This helps in categorizing the posts based upon the categories or tags or authors or dates. So in a way, this is a kind of a content which can be sorted and placed around. Unlike a page is a static component. Page is a static content which cannot be placed over another page. However, you can display certain content of your post on different pages. So it works that way. Pages cannot be placed on posts, but post can be placed on pages. So that is one key difference. So this is all theoretical, but let's see the process of creation of a post. So in order to create a post, all we can do is click on add new. However, I'll click on add new and open it in a new tab. So I'll right click, open link in a new tab. Inside pages, I can do the same thing. So I'll first of all take you to the all pages option. So you see these are some of the pages created. One sample page comes along with the default WordPress creation. In order to create a new page, all you can do is click on where it says add new here. You can click on add new here, or you can simply go to new and click on page. So either ways, I'll be just clicking on add new. So here I'm inside the page creation, and the next tab is the post creation. Now there are subtle differences. On this screen, you perhaps may not have noticed the difference, but if you follow the right side of the screen, you'll be able to see the differences. So I'll be going back to the add new page option, and you'll see there are a lot less options. So I'll just collapse all these, and similarly, I'll collapse it out here. And here you can see in the post creation, we have different options for categories and tags and excerpt and discussion and post attributes. However, when I go to add new pages, all I have is featured image and discussion, which in general in a page is not mandatory. The process of page creation remains exactly the same as a post, but in this video we'll not be creating a page, or at least not in its entirety, because I'll be showing you one of the plugins which you can use to create pages on the front end itself. So once we go to the front end, we can directly design the page right there and see how it looks right there, instead of using this block options. And that is one powerful way of doing it. However, in this video, I'll be just creating one page, or rather two pages. I'll just call it home for now. Inside status and visibility, I'll let it be visible right away. However, remember again, pages, unlike post, will not appear in a ascending or descending order, because this is a static event. You cannot place pages on different pages. In order to link to a page, all you have to do is create links somewhere, but you cannot embed a page inside a page. Yes, of course, you can do that using certain plugins, but that is not generally how it works, because this again is a static content. Inside featured image, it works similarly, but again, we are not going to use featured image right here, because we'll be designing our page as we want it to look. Discussion, we do not want comments on our pages. And inside the page attributes, we will be letting the default templates and everything be as it is, because ultimately we are going to change the theme anyways. With that done, let's click on publish and publish again. So we have our page live. And if you want to see this page, let's click on view page. So I'll right click and open it in a new tab. And this is how our page looks right now. But this home page is not our home right now. So if I go to my front end, which is simply the demo.binaryiq.com, and I hit enter, I'll be taken to this page, which is in essence a blog page. So this consists of all the blogs, as you can see. So how do we change this setting? Before changing the setting, let's go back. In order to go back, we'll click on view pages again. Let's create one more page, which will be called a blog page. I'll just click on add new. I'll give this a name of blog. I'll click on publish and I'll click on publish again. So we have this page live as well. And if we go to the page right now, you'll see there is nothing here. No blogs are here. So you can see inside the blog, we have nothing. And similarly, inside the home, we are not actually inside our home because this is taking us to the domain followed by a home and not that. So how do we change this setting? In order to change the setting, we'll go back to our dashboard. So I'll just click on my blog again. To change the setting, we'll simply go to where it says settings and we'll go to where it says reading. Inside reading, right now you can see your home page is displaying your latest posts, which if you're not a blog post site, and even if you're a blog post site, you won't want. You would want your homepage to be specifically designed to address your visitors, to engage them in some way possible. So what we are going to do is change our homepage to static pages. I'll just click on this static pages and now we get two options for us to select. So first is the homepage. Homepage is simply your domain. So where do you want your domain name to take you? In this, I'll select home. And the post page, I'll select this as blog. You can of course change some of the settings here, which I'll not talk about in this video. The main settings which we wanted to change was these reading settings. I'll just click on save changes. Once the changes are saved, now if I click to go to my front end, I should be able to see home, and that is where we are right now without the / and home. And if I go inside my blog, I should be able to see all my blog articles. And these are all the blog articles, as you can see. Again, do not worry about the formatting and display of it all because we are going to change that in the upcoming videos. So this is all about pages, not exactly, because we will be working with pages a lot. This was just an introduction to how to create pages. In the next or the upcoming videos, I'll be talking about a specific plugin which will help you create pages right on the front end of your website. So I hope you liked this video, and if you did, do hit that like button. It really helps with the motivation. Also, if you're not already subscribed, do hit that subscribe button. And before going on to watching some other video, do check out this channel. I've tried to put a lot of content for you to enjoy, and I'm pretty sure that you will learn a lot. This is an entire series on website creation. And if you're watching this video out of sequence, I would recommend that you watch the entire series from start to finish. Yes, there are a few beginner concepts. And if you are not a complete beginner, you can of course move on from where you want. But if you are a beginner and you're just getting inside the field of website creation, this series will help you immensely. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.